it's stable, I think. For ASEAN country, for ASEAN people who live in ASEAN country, no need to take flight to travel to Thailand. You can apply their visa for tourist visa, and you can cross the border like I do. You can after you have the visa and you go and buy a train ticket. Uh, Normally you can buy the train ticket at there. If you are coming from Laos, there is an international train. You can get the train ticket easily there. It's cost almost 900 baht for first class with a bed like that, and you can sleep on the way and it's comfortable. And for the second class is a normal seat with the air conditioner. It will cost you around 500 baht. And for the third class, it's a fun class with a seat, and it's cheaper, and it's only cost 300 baht from Vientiane. And everyone, when would you like, if you have some questions or if you want to know about that, you can go to my WhatsApp. I already post my WhatsApp QR code on my post in YouTube. And I'm in Thailand currently. And when you want and would like to visit to Thailand, then you can contact me there. The connection is bad. I'm sorry, the connection is not stable. And everyone, if one of you have any questions and would like to know about the Thailand, and you can ask me and you can type me, and whenever you come and visit to Thailand, you can also ask me for suggestions and where to go and which where is interesting to go and explore and discover. Even though I am not, I don't know much about it because I can help you. I think I work as a tour and travel agent in Thailand, but it's not the job. It's not a good job very much for me right now. I have if any one of you would like to visit to Thailand, you can do for the transportations and for the sightseeing and for hotels, and I can book it. You can ask suggestions from me. And don't forget to smile. Big smile, even though you are in the bad time, in bad mood. Smile is the best medicine. There is also a saying.